Hello folks, welcome back to Car Dekho, where we help you buy the right car right now. In this edition of Variants Explained, we're talking about Maruti Suzuki's blockbuster, the Baleno. And if you are planning on buying one, good choice. Practically everyone wants to buy one right now.
And if you have zeroed in on the Baleno, you're probably wondering which variant is the right fit for you. I mean, what does each variant offer? Is it worth the price in terms of the features offered? And even questions like, is it worth searching for the Baleno RS?
Yeah.
It's kind of a halo model of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno. So all those questions and more will be answered right now. But first, let's take a look at what comes as standard in the Baleno. Now in the base Sigma version, as you would expect, you do get the Nexa safety shields or dual front airbags rather, ABS with EBD and ISOFIX does come as standard along with force limiter and pre-tensioner front seat belts. But apart from that, not really much else.
Yeah, because see, in case you're looking at a premium car experience, you know, neighbors ko lagni chahiye badi gaadi kharidi hai. So this one might not just deliver that, because the flash value is missing. There's no chrome on the grille. The dashboard looks very weird, minus a music system.
Exactly.
And manual AC. It just doesn't fit that premium hatchback billing, right?
Exactly.
So long story short, skip this variant and move on to the Delta. Now let's take a look at what you get as standard in the second variant of the Baleno.
Okay, and in this case, the Delta happens to be the variant that we really like and is the one that we recommend above all others, because the price premium is in the whereabouts of rupees 60,000.
Yeah.
And for that, you do get a lot of features. I mean, it includes, of course, a basic audio system which includes Bluetooth connectivity along with a 4-speaker sound system. You've also got steering mounted audio controls. You've got all 4 power windows, which is earlier just in the front. And you've also got auto AC along with rear parking sensors, another useful feature to have.
And considering all of those features, the Delta, the Baleno Delta, I think is easily the most value for money variant that's there in the range. And even if you look at it from the perspective of the Delta being the base spec automatic, yeah, it costs about 7 lakhs ex showroom. That 1.2 liter engine with a smooth CVT. It's not an AMT, it's a proper CVT transmission, right? And for 7 lakhs ex showroom, we think that's good value. And from the Delta, let's move on to the penultimate variant, which is the Zeta. And this is where the Baleno starts looking more and more premium. Let's take a look at what you get in the Baleno Zeta.
So the penultimate variant of the Baleno, that is the Zeta, it is the second most VFM variant in our books, because while the Delta does focus a lot more on, you know, being about value for money in terms of the wants, this does stretch out a bit more towards the less the needs and more about the want section of things, because you get features like alloy wheels, you've got the smart key with the push button starter, you've also got a leather steering along with telescopic steering adjustment. And these are features that, I mean, if you even get stuff like a more advanced MID, which is a lot more graphically stimulating.
With those power and torque pie charts that look super cool.
Exactly.
And
so it looks nicer and it does improve the experience. But let's be honest, you don't really need any of these features.
Yeah, these are majorly wants. But come on, it is a premium hatchback. If you can stretch it, it's about 60,000 extra over the Delta. In EMI terms, that is practically nothing. If you can stretch, please do, because this will deliver that premium car experience that the Baleno aims at delivering.
Absolutely.
And speaking of the premium car experience, that brings us to the top spec version, the Alpha of the range, quite literally. And here's what you get extra over the Zeta in the Alpha variant.
Now in the case of the Baleno Alpha, the price premium is quite hefty, rupees 70,000, and it's not really for features that are must-haves. I mean, you've got projector headlights with DRLs integrated into the headlamp clusters. You've got the SmartPlay infotainment system, which does get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay apart from MirrorLink, along with a rear camera. And these are nice-to-have features, but 70,000 does seem quite steep for this.
Considering you can get stuff like this in the aftermarket
Exactly.
for
I mean,
quite less.
Some people might consider features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to be must-haves because once you get used to the system, it's very difficult to let go. So if you can set your budget, by all means, go ahead and get it. But for us, the recommended variant remains the Delta.
The Delta. And because we're on the topic of the top spec variant, the Alpha, we also have to talk about the Baleno RS. Now, the Baleno RS costs about 8.5 lakhs ex-showroom, and that it's a full lakh over the Alpha petrol.
That's right.
Right? And what do you get extra? You, of course, you get the 1 liter booster jet turbocharged petrol engine that makes about 110 horsepower, and you get all-wheel disc brakes and a body kit. Now,
not to mention even slightly stiffer suspension.
Slightly stiffer suspension. Dynamically, it's a bit more, let's say, sport focused compared to the standard Baleno, which is towards.
It's still not a proper hot hatch in the traditional sense, as you can call it.
It isn't, and honestly, even the 1.2 liter petrol Baleno, it's no slouch by any means. It is actually quite fun to drive. So, should you consider buying the RS? Should you pay the premium for the RS? Not really. You know, the normal top spec Alpha Baleno does just fine in our books, and
if you just like certain more sportier ambitions from the car, maybe a little bit better in terms of handling prowess, you can consider the RS. But then again, if you do want a sporty handling car, why not just consider the Swift instead?
Right.
So that's all in terms of the variants. We hope this video did help you. And before we sign off, here's a look at the technical specifications.
Just a quick reminder, guys, all the prices that we spoke of are ex-showroom Delhi. In case you want to know the prices in your city, make sure you head to cardekho.com. You don't need to fill in any details. You'll get the on-road pricing of any car you want at a click. So that's about it from us. If you've liked this video, if you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, queries, comments, doubts, leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the Car Dekho YouTube channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. See you later.
Bye-bye.